In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Google Sites. Creating a drop-down menu can help you neatly organize your website's pages, making your site not only look more professional, but also improve navigation for your visitors. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, after opening your Google site, head over to the right side panel of your screen and click on the option labeled Pages. This panel is your go-to place to manage the structure and content of your website, allowing you to add new pages or modify existing ones. By clicking on Pages, you open up a list of all the pages currently available on your site, giving you the perfect starting point to add your drop-down menu. Next, look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options button, located next to the page under which you want to create your drop-down menu. By clicking these dots, you open a contextual menu providing additional options for that specific page. This area is crucial for customizing your page layout and features to fit your needs precisely. Once that menu is visible, you'll see an option that says Add Subpage. Click on this option. This is where the magic begins. By clicking Add Subpage, you're essentially creating a new page that's nested under the main page, which will appear in your drop-down menu once it's completed. It's a great way to logically organize content, especially if you have multiple sections or topics on your site. Now that you've clicked Add Subpage, it's time to give it a name. Enter a meaningful and descriptive name for this new subpage in the text box that appears. This is an important step because the name you choose will appear in the drop-down menu, so be sure it accurately reflects the content that visitors will find on this page. With your subpage named, look for the Done button, typically situated near the text box. Click it to finalize the creation of your subpage. By doing so, you'll officially add this subpage to your site structure, completing the basic setup of your drop-down menu. Repeat these steps to add more subpages under the same main page if needed. Your drop-down menu will expand dynamically to include all these links, creating an organized and easy to navigate menu for your users. And that's it, you've successfully created a drop-down menu in Google Sites. With just a few clicks, you've improved the user experience on your website. Feel free to experiment with additional subpages or main pages to suit your website's goals. Thanks for watching and happy site building.